What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm gonna show you how to view or how to check any Wi-Fi network's password here, which has been saved into your iPhone device or your MacBook device or your Windows computer. I'm gonna show you how to check it from this three different methods in here, as well as an Android device, which is also quite similar to the process of viewing your password on an iPhone device. You might be in a situation where you're connected to a network, you want to share that specific password to somebody else, but you do not remember the password and that password is saved into your device in here. I'm gonna show you how to get access and how to view that password. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I help you fixing tech related issues, and I also share cool tech hacks and tutorials. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. Now on my right in here, as you can see, you do have this device in here, which is my Wi-Fi router. In this case, I'm currently connected to my Wi-Fi router, which is this one right here, and I'm gonna show you how to view this Wi-Fi router's password. So if you are here on your mobile device, the very first thing you want to do is hop into settings real quick. Now once you're here on settings, you want to hop into Wi-Fi, and then you want to connect to that Wi-Fi. Of course, I'm already connected, and if you are on your iPhone, you just need to type here on this little I in here, and you'll be brought to this page where you do have auto join already turned on in most case scenarios, and you do have here your password right below auto join. So this is the password that you've got in here. All you need to do is simply tap once on this, and then it's going to ask you for your Face ID. Simply position your face, unlock your Face ID, and you'll be able to see your password in here. As you can see, here is my password, and if I go back, it's going to be locked again, okay, or masked in other words. So this is how you can easily view your password here on your iPhone device, and the process is similar on Android devices. Trust me, you just need to go into settings, go straight into the Wi-Fi section, and view all the Wi-Fi networks which have been saved or which are connected at the moment to your device, and you can be able to find that specific password. Alternatively, if you want to go the hard way, for example, you can hop into your internet browser real quick, and then over here, of course, while you're connected to that specific Wi-Fi network, you need to actually locate that specific router and flip it upside down. Okay, this is how it goes. And here at the back, you need to search for a specific IP address, which is also known in other words as gateway. Okay, so this is the pattern of the gateway. Usually it has dots and it starts with 192. Okay, and then down here you do have, for example, a specific username, which is known as admin in most case scenarios, and then you do have a password in here, which is in most case scenarios 1234 or 12345. So once you gather this information in here, you want to go straight into your device and you want to type in here the IP address. For example, it's 192.168.2.1, right? And then you want to tap on enter, and you'll be brought to this web page where it's going to ask you to log in with the credentials that are written at the back of your router. So I'm going to type in here my credentials real quick. Admin is already there, and the password is 1234, the default password. Let me tap quickly on login, and boom, here we go. We're now brought to the default settings page here of my router. Next up, I simply need to search for the section which deals with the password. Depending on the brand of your router, you might need to go to advanced or wireless or setup or anything like that. In my case, I need to hop into wireless real quick in here. Boom, and here we go. Once I'm here on wireless, I'll be able to see my password down here, which is known as the pre-shared key under security options. As you can see, this is my password, Babana13. It's the password for my specific Wi-Fi network in here. So this is how you can view the password. As soon as you're done viewing it, you can simply close your internet browser here, okay, by simply tapping here, closing it, and you're good to go. You can now actually insert that specific password on a different device. Now, I'm going to show you also how to do this on your laptop. Now here I am on my MacBook, for example. If you want to check or view a specific saved password related to your Wi-Fi network, for example, I'm already connected here to my Wi-Fi network. All you need to do is simply tap here at the top left corner. We've got system preferences, and then we do have in here the section for Wi-Fi. So you need to tap once on Wi-Fi in here, and next up you'll be brought to this window where you do have the specific Wi-Fi network where you're connected to, and you also do have in here the known networks, or simply the networks that have been saved into this device. All we need to do is simply tap on these three dots. Okay, I'm connected to this one, it's the same, three dots, and then we do have an option that says copy password. All I need to do is simply tap on copy password, and next up I just simply need to open any text editor and paste it. For example, I'm going to open up Google Chrome in here, and here at the top I'm going to simply tap on right click, and then I'm gonna tap on paste, and here we go. I do have my password pasted in here, and once I've seen it, I'm gonna erase it, and then I'm going to insert that password in my specific device, which I want to connect into the Wi-Fi network. Alternatively, if you are on a Windows device, all you need to do is simply tap here, okay, and then right click, tap on network and internet settings, and then you'll be brought to this specific window in here that will allow you to check all the specific connected networks in here. So you just need to go to the property of that specific Wi-Fi network. In my case, I'm connected through cable in here because of my drivers in here. But do not worry, you'll be able to view the password here from the properties settings. This is how easy you can actually view the password of your specific network on your laptop. Thank you so much for making it till the end of the video. And if you find my content useful, consider subscribing, like the video, and let me know in the comment section down below if you do have any doubt or any question related to this issue. Thanks for watching Fixed by Shaq, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.